Alright, so I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter on a 2021 Ford Bronco here. Open up the glove box, push these little tabs in like so, and you can fold down the glove box. This is the access door right here on top. Just pop out the cups and pop out the cabin filter. Squeeze these two inside. The cabin filter is super dirty on this Bronco. Look at this. Wow. Go ahead and replace it with the new one. I don't have a new one yet, but that's how you replace it. Slide this back in on the corner, clip it in,